A new program aims to help some of the youngest in the community who may have experienced trauma. KELOLAND's Sarah McDonald explains why there's a growing need in the preschool age group.
The Compass Center offers support, including counseling and advocacy services to survivors of sexual and domestic assault. Thanks to 2 grants, the organization can now help even more people. It's launched its Little Navigators program to prevent and treat trauma in preschool-aged children.
We work with clients, and our goal is to reduce barriers for them to heal. One of the things that we were constantly coming up against is children who had been exposed to violence or who had been victimized were getting expelled from their child care setting.
As part of the program, mental health professionals will be in child care settings.
They're going to work with the child care center staff to learn about trauma, to understand the developmentally appropriate milestones for kids, to understand how trauma impacts those.
There will also be group therapy with kids, and they'll work with parents.
And the third tier is doing intensive work with our kids who need intensive intervention, and so that will be a therapeutic classroom in the child care setting that is staffed by our mental health professionals.
Trent says they will work with community providers to make sure children are receiving the support they need.
Really thinking about how do we help meet those needs of the community, and so doing so in a group setting at the child care center opens up the ability for us to treat more children, because there's a lot of children in that 3 to 5 age that really are needing services right now.
In Sioux Falls, Sarah McDonald, KELOLAND News.
In April, the Compass Center will start the process of hiring mental health professionals and establish a curriculum. By fall, they plan to have those professionals working in child care facilities.